All of a sudden around the corner, here comes this loud, speeding, squealing, tired pickup truck. My name's Richard Holliday. I'm from Edwardsville, Illinois. I was in a horrific accident, so I hired Tyler Schneider of the TorHoerman law firm. I'm a motorcycle rider, so we decided with 7 of my friends, it was in September, it'd be perfect weather to go down and do the pig trail through northern Arkansas. Everything was going fine, and all of a sudden around the corner, here comes this loud, speeding, squealing, tired pickup truck all the way over in my lane, and he hit me pretty much head on. I hit a rock and I flew over the handlebars, and I knew right away that it wasn't good, that my leg was broken, and I didn't know how many places. They said he stopped, backed up, looked at us, and then took off. So it was a hit and run.
Doc was trying to figure out, where do I go from here? How do I pay these medical bills? Who do I go to? What do I see? So he came to me, because one of the things that we can do is we can take all of that over for him.
I knew Tyler was an attorney. He was my next door neighbor. I said, Tyler, do you do injury? And he says, oh yeah, that's our specialty.
This case was especially important to me because it was somebody that I knew personally. But in reality, all the cases I take on, that person, that client, they become a friend. They become a part of our family.
When the case initially came in, I had to do what we call a secondary screening just to make sure we had all the pertinent information that we needed. And then once I got that information, I just found out who his treating physicians were, if he was still treating, certified copy of the police report, because we want to make sure we have everything we need so when the case goes further, we're prepared.
Dealing with the insurance companies on Doc's case, honestly, is like dealing with an insurance company every time. It's difficult, it's frustrating. Despite what the algorithms say and the way that their business works, people aren't just numbers. People have a lot more than their medical bills. The thing is, it's not about just what happened that day. It's what happens for every day going forward for the rest of his life. What I can tell you is that we got Doc every single dollar that was available to him.
Then he called me one day and says, this is what you think would be fair? And I said, yeah. He says, well, how about this? My jaw dropped. I'm like, sounds good to me, buddy. So it exceeded my expectations.
They're our clients, but they're not. It's like they're part of our family as well. So when we get these cases, we really, truly do everything we can.
If you're looking for a lawyer who is just going to be the black and white, boring, I'm going to push the papers and I'm going to take every 5th call you do, call somebody else. But if you want to be a part of our family and become a relationship that we truly have with our clients, then call TorHoerman Law.